Thank you very much for ordering our products. After receiving the product, please confirm immediately that the product is not damaged after the long-distance transportation. If there is any damage, please contact us through the following after-sales mailbox: Blerema service@outlook.com. We will resend a new product for you immediately. Now we will show you how the product is assembled. Open the folded box and attach it to the fixed frame. Fix the caster wheel by your choice. Install the humidity and temperature meter. There are two buttons on the back of the meter. One is for switching on and off, and another is for switching between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Place the tray and the pad into the box. If you need the handle, attach them. Check that the door is open and closed properly.